Hi everyone, I'm Kim. I'm one of the Information Services librarians at Wellesley Free Library, and today we're going to explore Kanopy, which is one of the platforms we have with a variety of movies, TV series, and documentaries. So we're going to start by going to the library's website, which is wellesleyfreelibrary.org. From there, we're going to go into eLibrary and then down to Kanopy. So this is Kanopy's homepage. If you've never been to this site before, you're going to go ahead and add your library card. It's going to prompt you to do that. From there, it's going to prompt you to enter in an email and create a password. And then you'll verify that email, and then you can go ahead and log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. So it's going to ask me for my email. And then I'm going to enter my password. So it's loading my profile. And here is the Kanopy homepage. So by clicking on the Kanopy icon, that will always bring you back to this screen. You can also search the content using the search box, or the browse feature breaks it down further into movies, documentaries, health, etc. So let's click into that. So for instance, there's movies, there's documentaries, and then it's by subject: business, the arts, education, global studies and languages, etc. I'm going to go ahead and look for a drama. So let's click into that category. And it breaks the drama films down again by most popular. You have Oscar winners and nominees, contemporary cinema, world cinema, etc. So I see one here that I'm interested in. It's called The Bookshop under contemporary cinema. So I went ahead and clicked on it. On this screen, you can click on Show More for a description. It gives you the rating, the year it was released, the running time. If you scroll down further, it's going to give you people who watched this also watched, which is good for finding other suggestions. And then it has other people's comments on the film. And that's something you can do as well. You can post a comment, you can share your thoughts, your review on any of the movies, which is kind of nice. And then over on the right side of the screen, you have related videos. So for instance, if you enjoy The Bookshop, you might enjoy these other films. So for now, I'm just kind of creating my list to watch later. I might have some time next weekend, so I'm going to go ahead and click on my list. And then it's going to tell me in the right-hand corner here, the video was added to your watch list. And we'll revisit that later. So let's go into browse again. And I wanted to point out under the instructional films and lessons, they have K to 12 lessons. I know a lot of people are homeschooling right now, so this might be something of interest. It has family films and series, literature, there's a lot of Shakespeare, and then it breaks it into different subjects such as math, science, and visual arts. Again, if you hover over a picture, you can begin watching right away, or you can click on Add to My List to watch later without even having to click into it. So next I'm going to show you how to search for something. We're going to go back up to the search bar, and I'm going to type in PBS. I want to see everything that Kanopy has to offer under PBS. So here is a list of videos. And we're going to scroll down to find something. And we can continue on to page 2. There's a lot. Let's look at something at Steve Jobs. So I'm going to click into this, and I'm going to add Steve Jobs movie to my list for later. And again, it shows you that it's been added to your watch list. So that really covers browsing for a movie, searching for a movie, and adding movies to your playlist. So to get to those movies, you're going to go up to your name in the top right-hand corner, and we're going to go down to My Watch List. This is going to pull up everything that I've added. From this screen, you can click on Watch Now to watch the film, or at any time you can remove them from your watch list. So I'm going to go ahead and watch Steve Jobs now just to show you. And then all you would have to do is hit play and it will begin. So let's go back into my watch list. And again, this is everything that I have set aside to watch later. On the top of the page here, you can also click on My Dashboard. There's your viewing history, my comments. So let's click on the dashboard, and this is kind of your home page. It shows you everyone is entitled to watch 6 watches per month. So at the beginning of each calendar month, your limit will be reset to 6. So it says here, I have 6 out of 6 play credits to watch for the rest of this month. And then it also has some nice recommendations for me that it's pulled from things that I've watched or things that I've added to my watch list. So one other thing I wanted to mention is once you've started watching a film, once you've essentially clicked play on something, you have 3 days to watch it, and you can watch it in full as many times as you like. So that's Kanopy. The great thing about Kanopy is everything is available right away. There's no waiting, there's no late fees. There's a lot of varied content, a lot of documentaries. So this is another great resource for viewing a variety of things. So if you have any other questions, there's librarians working remotely Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You can contact us through the website if you have any further questions, and I hope you'll take some time to check it out. It really does have a lot to offer. So enjoy and thank you. Bye-bye.